Welcome to our quick guide on managing your Telegram experience. Today we're simplifying how to remove bots from folders on Telegram Web for PC. Let's dive straight into the steps to streamline your chat organization. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Telegram Web. Log in if prompted, then look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu listing your folders, archive chats, custom folders, and more. Here's where the magic happens. Right-click on the folder containing the bots you want to remove. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Edit Folder from the options. This opens the folder's settings, where you control which chats or categories are included. Now locate the Add Chats button within the editing interface. Click it to reveal a checklist of all chat types currently in the folder. Scroll through the list and uncheck the box next to Bots, or specific bot names if visible. This ensures bots are excluded from the folder's contents. Once you've made your selections, click Save at the bottom of the menu. Telegram will automatically update the folder, removing bots from view. Refresh the page if changes don't appear immediately, and that's it. Your folder is now bot-free, giving you a cleaner space to focus on personal chats, groups, or channels. This method works for existing folders or new ones you create. Ideal for tailoring Telegram to your workflow. Pro tip: if you accidentally remove a bot you still need, repeat these steps and recheck the bots option. Telegram's flexibility lets you tweak folders anytime. Managing bots doesn't have to clutter your experience. By organizing folders, you take control of what appears where. Thanks for tuning in. Happy customizing.